Guys, this weekend I'm doing my first Kirsten Bosch concert ever. I've never done a Kirsten Bosch ever. And please, when you see me there, when you want to take a selfie, please, there are rules. Natalie, there's rules for you too. There are rules. First and foremost, make sure I've got my sunglasses on because I'm going out with my girlfriend. Papa gaat 'n bietjie vat. I don't want to see selfies on the internet waar my oë uitdruk. Sien jy oogies wat so skiet? Nee, please, protect me, man. Please. As we can take a selfie, but just make sure Alfred, sit asseblief jou bril op. Die gin trek 'n bietjie in die oog. 1. Number 2, you know this weekend, please, Natalie. You know Belinda. Belinda is going to sing all those Whitney classics. Please, keep the aggression to a minimum. Keep the aggression to... You weet, hy wat hulle breek jou hart goed te sing, dan moet jy hulle kliphard sing. But when they sing, if he treats you like $1 million bill, go, dan is hulle stil. We don't want any of that energy, asseblief. When that song comes up, when Belinda sings, when he, like $1 million bill, I'm looking at you like this. For the, give you stem for lower or by level. If you're with your husband and he got you tickets and he treats you well, asseblief, there's rules. Brille, and when $1 million bill comes up, I want volume. Natalie, do we understand each other? Are we alright?
Check it out.